So the same way, first we are going to do a plain base. I hope you've made a lot of color when you make right at the beginning. Otherwise you can make again one more time your base color, but make sure you're making it more and swatch it before you use it. And now I'm adding creases with dark brown plus black, which is made on another palette. And then at the end I'm going to use white poster color dabbing technique to add my highlights. And after I apply white, if required, I'll slightly with a moist brush blend it. Otherwise, most of the places I don't think in this reference it is required to blend, as our base color itself is also very light and white doesn't stand out too much. This line which I just did beside the center rectangle on the right was a very important line, and both sides of the center I have done them to highlight that. And now I begin with the other side of the bow in the same manner. Here I'm adding the shadow of the top bow on the base, and accordingly you will go ahead doing the other sides also.